When it comes to kitchen layouts, the U-shape remains a timeless favorite. Why? Because it offers efficiency, balance, and plenty of storage. But beyond function, it's also about style. Let's explore the most popular U-shaped kitchen styles that homeowners love around the world. Number 1. Modern Minimalist. Clean, sleek, effortless. The modern minimalist U-shaped kitchen focuses on simplicity. Think handleless cabinets, neutral tones like white, gray, or matte black, and hidden appliances. LED strip lights under the cabinets create a soft glow, making the space feel futuristic yet warm. This style is perfect for those who want elegance without clutter. Number 2. Traditional Classic. Timeless and welcoming. The traditional U-shaped kitchen often features shaker-style cabinetry, natural wood tones, or painted finishes in cream, navy blue, or sage green. Countertops are often granite or marble, paired with subway tile backsplashes. Pendant lights above the peninsula complete the look. It's a style that feels both nostalgic and refined, a space where family memories are made. Number 3. Small U-shaped kitchen. Small doesn't mean boring. In smaller kitchens, the U-shape maximizes every inch. Lighter colors, like soft whites or pastels, open up the room. Open shelving or glass cabinet doors reduce heaviness, while compact appliances save space. Sometimes one side of the U becomes a cozy breakfast nook. It's proof that small kitchens can still be stylish and functional. Number 4. U-shape with island. For larger homes, this is the ultimate statement. Adding an island inside the U creates a central hub for cooking, prepping, or entertaining. The island can include seating, extra storage, or even a second sink. It transforms the kitchen into both a workspace and a social space, perfect for hosting friends and family. Number 5. Open plan U-shaped kitchen. This design merges the kitchen with the living or dining area. One side of the U opens outwards, often doubling as a bar counter with stools. It encourages interaction. You can cook while chatting with guests or keeping an eye on children in the living room. It's modern, practical, and very family-friendly. Number 6. Luxury U-shaped kitchen. This is where function meets indulgence. Luxury U-shaped kitchens often feature marble or quartz countertops, dramatic backsplashes, and high-end appliances. Cabinet hardware in brass, copper, or gold adds a touch of glamour. Extras like built-in wine fridges, smart ovens, or ambient lighting bring the space to life. It's more than just a kitchen, it's a statement of lifestyle. From minimalist to classic, from compact to luxurious, the U-shaped kitchen adapts beautifully to every lifestyle. Which style speaks to you? Whether you dream of sleek, modern lines or a warm, traditional look, the U-shape can be the perfect foundation for your dream kitchen.